Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to replace your hard drive on a printer. Right, simple. Okay, which printer? We're working on HP LaserJet Pro 525 MFP. LaserJet, not Pro, but LaserJet 500. Okay, this is the machine. What you do, you go on your side, then you hold here, you understand? Push this here. Or try to when you use this, take it out. Okay, after taking this out, put that there, then you can just pull this guy out, tip, open that. So there's a guy who's blocking this guy to go out. The hard drive is here. This is the guy. So you press this guy, and also down here he has hooks inside. So once you take out these hooks, there's these hooks. You see these are hooks. You just press. Just press them, press, then they come out. So after if you want, you can also unplug it on the board, but if you don't want, it's fine. So here there's this click. You press this, tap. Once you press it this side, then you hold the hard drive, you slide it like this, you get me? Once you slide it, you take the hard drive out. So the hard drive is put into into this cover. So the cover also is not something difficult. You can see, you can take out this cover. This cover has hooks inside it. You see, I'm using one hand, but still I can manage. This cover has hooks. You can see, this is the cover. It's out. The hard drive is out. Then you can put a new hard drive, right? Okay. So since we put in a new hard drive, then I'm gonna ask this guy to wait for me here. I don't want it to fall down. You can see this cover. I'm gonna put the cover. I'm gonna put the hard drive into the cover, then I come back to you. Okay. Okay. Done. Once I'm done with that, you can see now the hard drive is into the cover. Now what's gonna go on now, it can't go in like this. I put it in a wrong way. Since I put it in a wrong way, no, it's not in a wrong way, it's a right way. Yes. So once you press this down here, it opens. You see, it opens, then it hooks up. So I'm gonna widely open this door, then I show you. You can see. So you put it here. First of all, try to push it in. Push it in, it locks in there. Once it locks into this, so it locked in, then you press this at the back. Okay. Okay, you slide it inside. It's in already. Okay, if that is okay with you, the first thing you have to do is you switch on the machine to see if the hard drive is working before you close, because when you close, you might be in a problem whereby you have to reopen. You get me? So I mean, I'm fine here. Let me see something here. If I can try to. Okay, sorry, now I put on here. So remember this guy? Remember this guy? But the only way, you have to unplug your thing. So I put this guy inside here because there's a hole for the network, whatever, for the port. There's a port there. So you can see this hole here. You're gonna have to slide into here. If it's in there, you're fine. And also it has to slide into that hole there. You get me? Those two holes must be there. Okay, once that is super fine. Okay. And also this guy has to slide in there. Okay, if those two, they are fine, you close this guy. It doesn't close, what's wrong? Okay, push him up, what's wrong? Is there anything wrong? There could be probably something wrong. Let's take this guy out, we see what's going on. Okay, only two hooks. Maybe we can take out this guy. Okay, I'm taking out this, right? So This can be, I can put this after. Okay. So now I need to make sure this guy goes into the, okay, to make sure also down here it goes in. I'm gonna put down first. You can see down there. It's not something difficult, but sometimes when something is not closing, it's an issue. I think you might not see down exactly, but okay. I managed to put in one day, okay, and this guy here, okay. Put, yeah. One is not in. Okay, one if it's in, then we see try. Okay, I've closed this. Good. So now I'm going to slide into this guy. I have to slide in this guy nicely. Okay. It didn't work out. It did not work out because of this gap. So I need to work on the gap here. Okay, there's no gap. You can see that's super fine. Yeah, I'm done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in power. You won't see power. You won't see power is on another side. Okay, once I put in power, then I switch on the machine. Then yeah, I'll wait. So the trick is, if your hard drive has a C-gate, if your machine had a C-gate, put in a C-gate. If it had a different one, a net SE, put that. So once you change they know, I don't know, the machine knows that I need this kind of hard drive, not all hard drives. Yeah guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, but the tips are, you just slide this guy, the cap out, the second compartment inside is just to pull. Also, there's no screwdrivers needed to take out the hard drive. That's it. That's a good thing about it. You get me? So yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.